So let's now see how to fit this handle. So for this you need this 4 mm Allen key. So with this 4 mm Allen key you just need to remove this first. So with this you can easily remove by scrolling like this. You have to remove these nuts. Yes, after removing this you just need to keep this like this down, and just by keeping this you have to see this. You have to see this fire catcher from front side, so it must be faced towards the front side, and you just need to hold like this and just take this again and just keep this like this. So to fit this handle you just take this and take this Allen key and just keep like this, and you have to exactly do the same thing which you have done. You have to tighten this with this Allen key. So like this you have to full tight. Initially just do some tight and take these 4 screws, and you have to install these 4 screws in these holes, and you have to tight little bit. Okay, once these 4 screws have been installed you have to tight fully. So it must be not like this loose. So you have to tighten this full four screws everything. And you have to tight this also, so it will hold this alignment stiff, so that it won't the suspension itself, it won't move front to and forward motion. Yes. While you fitting this you have to look at these sides. Both sides you have to keep this same distance, and see this alignment where you have to keep this in middle, and you have to face this also in this position like this, so it is a curve. And if you want to a shortcut means like this, if fire catcher should be front side, towards facing front side, and now you have to just tight full everything, so that the handle should not won't move like this. So if you tighten full like this, so it won't move. So you have to do for all the 4 screws. After fitting this handle, we may find sometimes difficult like this type of problems. So the handle will go some side and tire will go in some directions. So to solve this you just need to take this 5 mm Allen key, and just you need to tight these 2 screws just by like this. Once if you do these 2 screws full tight, it won't go. See, now it's not moving.